Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use RealMotion Pro version 2.0.1 version with HumanGen. Right now it has gotten easier to use it with HumanGen, so let me show you how to use it. Okay, so first, if you already have your human generator character, you can move on to RealMotion Pro tab settings. Okay, so if you don't, here is how to generate. Just select your character and then click on generate. Here do all the customization you want, and after that you can just go to the Rigify and just click on generate Rigify. Right now you don't need to just go to T-pose and add it, just generate or Rigify. And then after that, let's go to the RealMotion Pro, and here I'm going to select the rig. Let's go to settings, and here I'm going to switch this as Rigify and assign my rig, because we need to switch to FK. Okay, after that we don't need to do anything again. Let's go to the animation, and here I'm going to assign my rig and switch this is already fine. So right now when I load the animation, I can see the character hands have been folded back like this and the leg has been stretched, and this is not look normal. So if I go to virtual T-pose, right now we have this feature called is HumanGen. Okay, so for this let me set it off and calculate the rest pose, and let's see what will happen. We can see the hands fold has been fixed, but we can see it has rotated on wrong direction. You can see how the hands is been. When I click on preview, you can see how the preview, the reference is looking at. Okay, so let me reset everything and do it again. So I'm going to load the animation, and right now I'm going to use a HumanGen, and you can include the shoulders or you can remove it. Okay, so you can test it and see how it works. So I'm going to click on calculate rest pose and click on OK, and now let's see how this one is also going to be look. Okay, now we see this one, it has fixed the hands. Okay, now it move well. Okay, so let me go to frame 26 and I'm going to load the same walking animation. I'm going to turn off the increase shoulders off to see what that one is doing. So let me click OK. You can see here the shoulder is down, but on this one we include the shoulders. The shoulders has raised up slightly, you can see, and this one is down. So you see how it look. So let me use the record so you can see it well. So from here you can see the shoulder move down. So this is the new feature in RealMotion Pro version 2.0.1, and there's another feature in it, and in this video I'm going to show you how that one also works. So that's the end for this, and right now it's a lot easier to use RealMotion Pro with HumanGen. Okay, if you already have your character generated, all you need to just switch to FK, animate, load animation, and make sure its human generator is on and calculate the rest pose, and it's going to fix everything. So that's the end of this video, and thank you for watching.